Welcome to SimplyStreetBikes.com. Today we have a 2015 Honda Grom 125. This customized mini bike has just under 1,100 miles on it and is still in excellent condition. Does show a couple of imperfections, which kind of leads to me to that was either dropped or tipped over, but I'll show you as we walk around, plus the highlights that are on it, and then we'll fire it up for you. Tires on this bike appear to still be in good shape, plenty of miles left on them. Comes with flush mount front signals, adjustable levers, aftermarket grips, pro taper bars, an engine cage, aftermarket pipe, a custom undertail, and a fender eliminator. So we've got a small chunk of the tail missing here by the rear light. Rear tire, still in excellent condition as well. Plenty of miles left on that. And again, the engine cage. Grips, adjustable levers, flush mount front signal. And here's what I'm talking about. You can see where this is scraped here and here. So it's been repaired, but kind of tells me that the bike went down on that side. Hard to tell what happened to that tail on the left, but it is missing a piece. Bike also has pod filters. $1,058 is what's on it. This 2015 Grom will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day, 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this bike from us, you will get a discount on your parts, your labor, and of course, your more accessories for it. Thank you for shopping SimplyStreetBikes.com.